The WD SN850X is a fantastic NVMe SSD that's available in capacities all the way up to 8 terabytes. So here we've got the 8 terabyte model of it, and these are amazing whether you're using it for an internal drive for your PC, a gaming console, or you can also use it with an external SSD enclosure. That's how I like to use this with my Mac computers. And in this video, we're going to go through some of the speeds I was getting using this as an external drive on my Mac, the features of this NVMe, who I think it's for, and who should maybe look for a different option instead. I do want to say SanDisk sent me the WD Black SN850X for free for purposes of making this video. I've got no input into this content. This is just going to be the features I've noticed about this drive and who I think this would be a good option for. So this is a PCIe Gen 4 TLC NVMe SSD, and what's cool about SSDs like this is they're super thin. You can use them in pretty much any motherboard and expect great speeds out of them. The SN850X does top out at speeds all the way up to 7,300 megabytes a second, but the speeds you get with this are going to depend on the device that you've got it connected to, or whether you've got it in a motherboard, in a gaming console, or if you're just using it with an external enclosure. When I tested it with this Thunderbolt 5 enclosure by Acasis, I was hitting speeds of about 5,800 megabytes a second on the write and 5,600 megabytes a second on the read. And with this Hitachi USB 4 enclosure, I was getting speeds of 3,500 megabytes a second on the write side and 3,400 megabytes a second on the read side, which is some of the fastest speeds I've got out of any PCIe Gen 4 SSD in an external enclosure. Whenever you first go to set this drive up, it's probably going to ask you to initialize it. So just click initialize, and then you want to go into your disk utility and format it. So I like to use APFS with Mac. If you're going to use it with multiple platforms, then you probably want to have this in exFAT instead. A few more specs with SanDisk. You get a 5-year limited warranty with this drive. It's also rated for 600 terabytes written per terabyte of data this holds. So if you get a 1 terabyte drive, you're going to get 600 terabytes written, or if you get a 2 terabyte, you're going to get 1,200 terabytes written, or so on and so forth. This is available in capacities of 1, 2, 4, or 8 terabytes. And I have the 8 terabyte model, and what I love about having an 8 terabyte SSD is I can keep my very large Final Cut libraries with tons of different clips from different projects, and I can easily go back and reference all the different files across it. And with these USB 4 or Thunderbolt 5 enclosures, I can expect really good, reliable speeds. I've had no issues with running this all day long in an external enclosure. Again, the speeds that you're going to get with this are going to depend on the enclosure you buy. So if you get one of the 10 gigabit a second USB enclosures, you're really not going to be able to take advantage of the fast speeds that SanDisk offers with the SN850X. Prices on this are also going to be all over the place depending on the sales that are going on, or also the capacity you buy. So at the time of filming this, a 1 terabyte version of this retails for $100, and the 8 terabyte retails for $600. The SN850X is also available either with or without a heatsink. For most people, I would say get it without the heatsink unless you know you need it for your specific use case, because for a lot of these external enclosures, the heatsink is actually going to get in the way, and they're not recommended for those. So who is the SN850X for? This is for you if you need a great drive for gaming, and with capacities all the way to 8 terabytes, you're going to be able to keep tons of files on it. It's also a great option if you need a very large and fast drive for some sort of computer that you're building, or it's also going to be great using external enclosures on Mac computers. I've really liked using this with a couple of my different Mac mini docks, as well as these different USB 4 and Thunderbolt enclosures to get really fast performance editing video on Final Cut Pro. So I really recommend the SN850X if you're looking for a fast SSD with plenty of capacity available for all of your projects. If you're interested in buying one of these, I do have links to buy in the description below. If you got any other questions about the 850X, leave a comment. I'd love to hear them. Like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.